Welcome to abstract.hireXtra.com client module. Today we are going to look into how to post a job and activate it. So if you go to the side panel, you will see add new job over here. So you need to click on add new job and it will take you to another page called post job order where you can fill in the details of job title and any other details that you have regarding the job. So you can either take the information from any other Word document that you already have, or you can start typing all the information, or you can even upload the job description file over here and it will extract all the information in this form. So say for example, I'm looking for a senior UI designer. So I will type UI designer over here. If you see here, it will give you all the positions that are very similar to a UI designer. It's a lead UI designer, whether it's a senior UI designer. So let's say I'm looking for a senior UI designer. You can put any internal job code that you may have as an employer. So most of the employers do have it. So you can put that job code over here. So currently you see that the country mentioned over here is India. So if you go to a specific location, you will see all the Indian locations over here. In the search field, you can put a specific location and you can come to that location. So say for example, I'm looking for something in Hyderabad, so it will show you all cities. And you can select a particular city. So say for example, Telangana. Okay, so let's remove this. And if, say for example, our role is for United Kingdom locations, so you can put United Kingdom over here, and then if you go to location, it will give you all the locations of United Kingdom. So say for example, the job is for London location, so I will select London. You can click somewhere outside to come out of this window. You can also enter the number of positions. So say for example, I'm looking for 2 senior UI developers or UI designers. What kind of job it is, that's an important question, whether it's a permanent position or a contract to hire position. So the screen changes as per that. So contract duration, you need to put in if it's a contract to hire job. So let's select our type of job. So say for example, our job is permanent job. You can put in the expected joining date. So say for example, you want the person to join on the next Monday. You can put any gradation systems that you have in your organization. So you can put the levels as per what is there in your organization, though it's not a mandatory option. You can put the description from any other file that you already have created for job description, or you can start typing there as well. Um, so maybe you want someone with UI responsive design experience. So you can type like this, or if you have a file which is already there, so you can copy the job description from the file and then you can put it on the section. So if you see here, as per what you've put in, all the required skills are extracted in required skills and preferred skills section. You can even add to this. So say for example, you want someone who has who needs an HTML5 experience, or someone JavaScript. So maybe you might have to make it like a second point. Or you want someone with maybe CSS3 experience. Okay, so if you see here, all the required skills and preferred skills are put in over here. So you can either edit or copy it from some other file. So if you see here, your required and preferred skills levels are given over here. So as per your requirement, you can change. So you need someone with a good UI design experience, but an average UX design experience, but someone who has really worked on design interfaces, and who's pitching is not that mandate for this kind of a field, so you can put it at a low experience, but at the same time you need someone with a high HTML5 experience. So this is how you can put the levels of the experience. You can also put the number of years of experience. So say for example you want someone with a 5 to 8 years of experience at a senior role. You can select the currency. So let's say I select GBP because it's a United Kingdom role, and you can select the minimum salary. So say for example I want to offer someone a package of you can either put it over here or you can select the package from here. So say for example we want someone with uh, fif- someone with a package of 50,000 pounds per annum to say the end package is somewhere. Okay, so if you see here it's increasing by 5,000, so maybe you can just put here 65,000 to avoid wasting time. You can select the salary type. So say your salary type is per annum, so you select per year. The education that is required is maybe something in computer science, so MSc in computer science maybe. And any language requirement, so you need someone who is good in English, maybe any particular requirement. Maybe your company works for a client which is German, so you have a German language requirement, so you can put German over here. You can also choose industry. So say for example your client is a banking client, so you can select banking from here. So that's the industry. You can choose whether you want your name to be displayed to the vendors. So if you don't, if you would like to hide your name from the vendors, then you can select private. If you are okay with displaying the name to the vendors, then you can select public. So that's how you can create a job. And you can just click on the submit button once you have posted, and you can either submit now and activate, or you can submit now and activate later, because sometimes you know that a job is going to come up very soon, but you don't want to make it active yet because the position will be available maybe after 2 months when the project is going to start. So you can decide what you want to do. So if you want to activate the job immediately, then you can select submit now and activate. If you want to submit and save the job but not activate it, then you can select submit now and activate later. So let's do submit now and activate. So it's loading. So if you see here, it gives you a brief description about your job, 2 positions, banking industry. You can rather even upload your job order from here. So say for example, I have senior UI designer job description. So if you do your select the file here and say upload, it's going to extract all the information, and if any other information that you need to add, you can just keep adding the information and changing it. So this is how you can activate your jobs. Let's go to the dashboard now, and so let's see where our job shows up. So if you can go to total jobs, you can see senior UI designer over here. So that's the job which is activated. Thank you for watching this video. And if you want to watch more videos, you can click more training videos button on your screen, and you will go to the video section. Hope you enjoyed this video and keep exploring apps.HireXtra.